An easy way to protect your staff and customers in this challenging time is to install a shield glass from Liverpool Glass. The 10mm toughened safe glass can be installed in any area where staff and customers interact. Using these two mounting brackets, you can install it in no time. Start with the glass upside down so you can insert the fittings in the two holes. Make sure the rubber grommet is in place to protect the glass. Using a 4mm Allen key, screw in about halfway. The fitting must be about 3mm above the glass to ensure the glass sits off the counter. Rotate the fitting as shown and tighten the screw. Repeat this for the other hole. You can now turn the glass over and position on the counter. Drill a pilot hole with a 1/8 drill bit. Now screw in the holding screw nice and firm, and repeat on the other side. If you would like to adjust the position of the glass shield, simply loosen the screws and slide until in the required position, and then retighten. You can now add the cover plate, which slides in from the bottom, and use the supplied Allen key to tighten the cover plate into place. The glass is 800mm by 900mm in size, but you can also easily have the sizing changed to meet your needs. It also allows for crucial delivery points on the counter. The shield glass helps maintain social distancing to keep us all safe during this very challenging time. For your shield glass, call Liverpool Glass on 9607 6566.